How's everything going? YouTube, happy Wednesday. Hope you had a great trading day. Hope all is well and hope everything is going good in your life. I just want to come with another video today, just showing you a recap of my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, I'm up 5%, close to 6% on the day, and after hours down $53. So overall, I'm still doing good. I'm happy to touch 15,000 again. Hopefully we can stay consistent at this number and just push on forward closer to 16, 17, 18, 19, and past 20 eventually as the weeks come forth in the coming weeks. So I'm definitely looking forward for that, for more progress for this account. So just to take a look at a little bit more on this portfolio and account, we can see that I have one option for Blackberry that expires 2/12, and it's a $12 call. And I have 550 shares of Orbital Energy. I have 865 shares of Ideanomics. They're doing pretty well this week. I like this because they're holding pretty consistent since the start of February. They're holding pretty consistent in the 4, so that's a great sign. And pretty consistent holding January above $3. So I'm looking forward for more progress and increase in this stock going forward. I definitely see $6 coming soon. So I'm definitely holding. It could be even more, but my price target short term within 2-3 weeks is $6. Nano Dimensions. I've talked about this stock on my last video, how this is one of my favorite stocks I've looked at and had, and just a very interesting company going forward. I like their 3D product, and I feel like it has room to grow in the coming future. Definitely can see this being $100 stock within 5 to 6 years. That's my guess, but who knows the future? I'm just putting a guess out. So the next stock is Genius Brands. I have 175 shares of this at an average cost of $1.87. So as you know, a lot of people know about Genius Brands because of last year and what happened. It was like I wouldn't say a pump and dump, but basically it was that. But I think right now is a great time to get in. I can definitely see $3 coming soon within the next month or two. Definitely with more volume and more momentum going forward, we can definitely push to $3. So I'm definitely looking forward for that for Genius Brands. Globalstar, GSAT, is another stock I've talked about in my previous videos, how I'm bullish on this company overall. I feel like we can hit 2 or like 225 is my area. It's just anything above $2 coming in a month or two. Just want to give it some time. So I have 150 shares of this. BNGO, Bionanogenomics. I feel like short-term price target for this within the next coming 3 to 4 weeks, a month, will be $14 or close to $15. So I'm very, very bullish on this. This company has a exciting product going forward. Their Sapphire system. So definitely check out this company if you haven't checked it out. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about this, and if you haven't been invested in stocks or reasoning about different stocks, just coming across different stocks, this have definitely probably been a stock that's been talked about a lot. So definitely check this out. This stock has room to grow still. There's still a good amount of volume going forward. So if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that they're up nearly almost 5%, but more closer to 4.5%. And then on the month, they're up from around $4 to around $11.79, which is now, and they're up 126%. So definitely look at that. And I got back in Synsonics, and this stock is very interesting. When I first invested in this, at first it was like around $1, and then went up to like around $3, and then came back down. So I want to get back in this, and my price target for this stock is around $4.50, $4.70, $4.75. Then we'll see where it does from that point. Next stock is AQUA Metals. This is another stock I love. This and Nano Dimensions, I feel like, have great room to grow in the next 5 to 6 years, because I just like, first off, the thing that excited me about this company was their website both of them. So I pretty much like both of their websites. I like what they're doing, their plans, and their future. So I love AQUA Metals and NANO. And you probably will hear me talk about that going forward. And I will probably be buying a little bit more shares of these companies here and there just to build up an overall position and ride it out throughout the year. Next stock is ZOM. I'll be holding this probably to March or like April, see where the stock goes. I see this hitting $2 very soon. So I might be adding 200 more shares or 275 shares to get to around 500. So I'm definitely looking forward for that going for the future. And definitely check this out, ZOM. Next stock is Amagen. Now, this is a stock that I've been trading. I will buy like 100 shares or a little bit less than that, and I will sell within like a week or like couple 4 or 3 days. So I would definitely probably like take a little bit of profit, but also get back in because I feel like this company is a $5 stock, and that's just my opinion. So most of these companies that I have on here, I feel like within a month or more will give me a significant gain. So I'm pretty much trying to build out my portfolio where I can not have to look at it since I'm doing other stuff throughout the day. It's kind of hard now, but trying to build it out where I can just take a peek when I have like 5-10 minutes to look at it and know that these are the stocks I want to have for this month and that they will give me significant gains. Looking forward for at the end of the month, probably between 60 through 100% gains, hopefully, for these stocks I have right now. Next stock is Blackberry. As you can see, I have 100 shares of this at an average cost of $12.74, but I also have a covered call for this, and my covered call have actually been increasing as Blackberry goes down. So we're doing okay overall. I still have the premium that I collected from this, so I will gain more than I supposedly my total return. So I'm excited for that. And next stock is Microvision. I feel like short term, within a week or two, Microvision can easily hit $12. So I also been watching this. As you can see, I have the add to watch list. I've had this on my growth segment and this Robinhood. I've been watching this and just looking at it. It was pretty stagnant around like this area, 7. And I was waiting for it to dip a little bit down to 6 so I can jump in because I feel like this and Nano Dimensions are like, it's just certain stocks I just feel like are for the future. So I would just get ready, get a position in it because I know in 2 or 3 years, long term, these companies will be fantastic. But short term, most of these companies will give you short term gains as well. So definitely something to look at. But a price target of $12 right now is what I see for Microvision, and I'm holding this till we get to 12, and we'll see where we do from that. Next stock is Vine. They're therapeutics, and this is a stock that I added newly this week to start off this week. I'm looking for a price target of $4. Analysts and catalysts are saying this can hit very much over $4. So definitely check out this company. It's very interesting. So check that out. And BioLace, I feel like this company is a stock that can trade around $1.75, closer to $2 because of their product and the service they provide. So this is a company to definitely check out going forward. I feel like overall this can be something to make a little bit of money off of. So I definitely invested in this last month in January. So I'm just hopping back in because I feel like it's kind of low where we're from. And January 26th, 150. Then January 12th, it was 104. So I like the chart. I like where it's going. I like to see its ups and downs. So overall, they're actually down 6%. So we can definitely get 6 more percent. So that will make me up almost 8 or 7% if we can get the 6% back from last week. So overall, I'm doing pretty good overall, up nearly 6% on a day. I can't complain. And also, this was the stock of the day, CPS Technologies. So once again, I've missed it. It's so hard to try to trade, like swing trade or either just like day trade for one day, and you have stuff to do throughout the day and you're busy, can't watch the price. But I definitely saw this around, let me see, it was 8:30. It was up like around this percentage, 27, close to 30. And I could have got in, but the thing with me, I don't want to invest my money in something I don't know what's going on when I close my phone. So that's something that's always be bothering me, or that's something that is something that just stands out to me. So going forward, I like to see, like, if it was an off day I had, or I wasn't that busy, or whatever the reason may be, I can sit down, figure out what stock will I pull the trigger on today. And if I was at home personally, I would have definitely pulled the trigger on this. I would have put around 6 to 7K in CPS Technologies, and I would have made close to 15, 16K off of that. My account probably would have been sitting at 23 or 22,000 right now if I would have pulled the trigger. But I definitely have to see the price action and how it's moving throughout the day, rather than just letting it sit. So that's just something to keep in mind. That's something I do when it comes to stocks that I put a lot of money in real quick. I like to see what percentages is going and how far is it dipping when I just put in the money. So when I do stuff like that, I do set a stop loss of 5% or 10%, because sometimes that's really nothing to lose, like a couple $400, $500. You can always get that back. So I learned that in investing. There's no such thing as really losing money until you either sell or you just can't find another winner. That's what a lot of people struggle on. They're scared to put a set amount of money in this stock, because one reason, as soon as it start dipping, they're gonna sell, and the next week or a couple days it can just shoot up 30-40%, and now you're regretting it. So definitely a company, or not a company, actually definitely something to remember. So overall, we're doing great, can't complain. Tomorrow will be another great day. I'm just letting you know right now. Thursday will be a great day, and probably Friday will be a little sell-off, but I'm glad that AMC and GameStop, like, craziness, like, slowed down a little bit, because the market was going a little bit out of hand. There was a lot of selling off, a lot of dips, but that was also good because it allowed me to get in certain stocks that I would have not got in if those situations didn't occur. So I'm happy. I definitely see my prediction for this week. This stock account can get to, I'm shooting for 16K for this week. So, or 15,500, and then the next week will be the week we start picking up on momentum. The account will get to 16, 17, 18, and then hopefully we can reach past 20K for this month. Ultimately, we would like to see 25K through 30K, but for now, my goal is $20,000 short term within 2 weeks. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you can leave a comment, I will appreciate that. Tell me the stocks you're invested in, and also tell me any stocks that you would personally want me to check out or buy. Just let me know in the comments. And I just want to say I appreciate everyone that's been watching the videos. I wholeheartedly appreciate everyone. We reached over 100 subscribers, so that's amazing. And I remember my day ones. I will always remember my day ones. I will always go back to my first 5 videos, and see who was there commenting, liking, encouraging me to go on. So I definitely will do something for you guys in the future. As I continue to grow, I will not forget you or forget y'all. But yeah, this is it. We're doing good. We're doing fantastic. And let's kill it tomorrow, guys. Let's kill it. Let's destroy it. Let's kill it. Make sure your portfolio is on steroids so we can kill it. And make sure we can, like, dog the stock market. It's our time to shine. So let's take a moment to review our portfolio. Make sure we got everything set up. Make sure we have enough shares of certain stocks just in case it go up. Make sure you'll be able to make a decent amount, and make sure you put your money in stocks that will grow and not go down. But remember, stocks do go down, but at the same time, we got to be in a position where we can go up together. And this is it. This is the video for Wednesday. And I just want to say thank you for watching. It's Robinhood Growth Trading, and I'm out. Thank you for watching. Bye.